we will learn to draw a cycloid. A cycloid is a curve generated by the points on the circumference of a circle as the circle rolls without slipping along a straight line. Let us take an example. A wheel of a cart 1 meter in diameter rolls on a plain road in a straight line. Draw the path of a point on the rim for one complete revolution. I have shown an example here. Suppose this is a rim which will roll for one revolution. One complete revolution of the rim will give a path of a distance pi d. Here in this question we have the diameter of cart 1 meter, which is a very large diameter. So we will take a scale. The scale will give the diameter 50 millimeter. So we will draw a circle of diameter 50 millimeter. The circumference will give the path, that is pi multiplied by diameter, which will be 157 millimeter. So we will draw the path. The length is 157 millimeter. Name the center O. Take this point as A, B. Now we divide the circle into number of parts. Let us take 12 equal parts. Length of the path is 157 millimeter. So to divide it into 12 equal parts, we will use a specific method. Draw an inclined line from point number 12 at any angle. Mark 12 number of points at equal distance. Let us take at every 10 millimeter. Now connect the last point, that was point number 12, to B. Then slide the scale till point number 11 and draw a parallel line and continue this. So the path 157 millimeter gets divided into 12 equal parts. Give them naming 1 dash, 2 dash, now draw horizontal lines from all these 12 points. From point number 1 then draw a perpendicular line from 1 dash, 2 dash till it meets the center line O. The line passing from 1 dash will meet at the center line, which will give the next center O1. 2 dash will meet at the center line, which will give O2, and so on. Now measure a radius 25 millimeter. Keep the compass needle on O1 center and cut an arc on line number 1. This will give the first point, point P1. Then same radius 25 millimeter. Keep the compass needle on center O2 and cut an arc on line number 2. This will give point number P2. Then compass needle on O3 and cut an arc on line number 3 for P3. Then for P4, cut an arc on line number 4. Now joining all these points smoothly will give the profile of a cycloid. Try to connect minimum 3 points at a time. So this is a profile of a cycloid. Now giving dimensions.